So this is the index file, and there are two options in the nav bar to log in or register. And so when I click register, the register.php page will appear. And so the register PHP is robust because of things like this. So here it's saying the password must be at least 6 characters. It can't be empty. All that stuff makes it robust. And so let's make the password less than 6 characters here. So I'll make it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, it says password must have at least 6 characters. We'll leave it empty this time. It says please enter a password, please confirm password. Now we'll make the confirm password different from the password. So and it says password did not match. So now we'll do an actual password. We'll make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it will register, and that will add the details to the database. So I'll do and so the database for the register and login is in 11 student, and as you can see, it's in users, and as you can see, the ID is there and the username and the password. So as you can see, the password is hashed, and this is to prevent people from accessing the passwords. And it also over here has the created at date. And so now we're at the login. So if you don't have the right password, if the password place is empty, it'll say please enter your password. If the username is empty, it'll just say please enter username. So this time I'll actually log in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will log in and bring me to the home page. So now over here there's a logout. So if you press on that, it'll log you out, and it'll bring you into the login.php page. So now I'll show you what happens if you try to go into the home page without logging in first. So right now I'm logged off. So if I do oops. So if I try to go to the home page without logging in first, it'll redirect me to the login page. I'll show that again. So as you can see, I have it as homepage.toPHP. So when I enter, it'll redirect me back to the login page. So now I'll log in again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Login. Update it. And so on the navbar, there is an option for help, and this is where the user can get help from on the site. So as you can see, it shows how to do each section. So here it is instructions on how to view the PC parts, how to view pre-made part lists, and how to make a list. So all of this is help for the user. And this is part of the documentation for the problem-solving methodology. And so now we'll go back to the home page. So click on home, brings you back to the home page. And on the home page, there is a short description of the website. And below it is a section containing recommended parts to suit the user's budgets that the user may refer to. That's the build guide section. So if the user's budget is $2,000, so you can go in here and then see full details. So there's different budgets: $800, $1,900, $2,000, $2,600. So here we'll do 2,000. So you click on here. There's the title, and here's the description. And the way I'm getting the red part here, those are like the product cards kind of. I'm getting that from the styles. I'm getting it from the card, getting it from here, and the card button. All this. That's for this red product cards kind of things. So if I click see full details, it has a table. So here is a component and this actual product that we've selected for the user. So for the CPU, we've chosen a 9600K motherboard Z390, like that. So if the user likes the parts that we've chosen, so over here is a price around $1,900. So if the user likes what we've chosen for them, they can print this page and like take it with them to a store to help them buy stuff. So as you can see, clicking on print this page brings the print option. And like if the user wants to use this as inspiration, they can go back and then they can click on build a PC where they can actually like use some of these parts to like make their own list just like this. They can make their own list like this. So now we'll go back. And so it's the same for like 800. There's like different parts we've selected for the user. So they can also print it. We can go back. All these different parts. So next we'll look at the actual PC parts section. So over here on the nav bar, the section. So this is like the categories and this subcategories. So if the user wants to look at NVIDIA graphics cards, we'll click on this. And over here is like a list, is like these are the product cards. So as I said before, that's coming from the card buttons and the dock cards over here on the styles sheet. So over here, there's a title. There's a title of the actual page. This is the title of the product. This is the description, and this is like the image of it. So there's like all of these options. So if the user wants to see, like if the user likes this and wants to see more information about it, they can click see full details. And that will open this page. And there's ones for all of these products, like these pages. So here is like the full details, like on the previous page, it was just a short description. And this enlarged image over here. This is like an actual title. And then over here is where the user can click purchase item from. So they can buy it from PC, Case Gear, Umart, Sculptech. And over here is the cost price as of 27th of September. So as you can see, if the user wants to buy it from Sculptech or like check it out, they can click on this button, like view site, they can view it. And they'll come to this web over here. And then they can click on view site at Umart and then it'll open up with this. And so we have it like this for all the parts. So if you can click, you can go back. And it's like this for all of them. Like you can just click on that to open it. And then if you want to look at processes, you can like go here. Just a quick view at everything. As you can see, there are like products for each one, and all those like individual pages over here. There's individual pages for each product, and so I've kind of sorted them out by first having a number for each subsection, so they're kind of organized over here. And all those are the actual products. Yeah. Uh, so after the user has looked at all these ones and like once, and then the user may want to like make a part list, so they can click on build a PC, and like before for this, they can make a table like this and then print it out just like over here. They can make their own table, so they can click on build a PC, and here they can select it. So if they want, like there's like options. There's options for all these. They can choose stuff from here, and then all this is found on create data.php. So this is kind of what we did in class, the create data one. I've just made it accept options like this. And if the user can just stay like this, they can just print it if they want. Or they can add it to the database so they can actually come back. So to add to the database, they click submit your chosen path and then return. And then this is like the read data one. So this is showing the data in the database. So over here, the data in the database is found in student, and then over here, ID2, all this stuff is in the database. And so the user can like go on different place and then come back. And this will still be there, so they can like go to a different page. They can just keep coming back here. Like all this, it still stays there. And if they want to choose different parts, this will actually like truncate the whole table. So as you can see, there's currently all that stuff in the database. So when the user clicks on this, it will truncate the website, truncate the database, and as you can see, it's all gone here. And so when the user clicked on that button, it deleted the data from the database. And that's about it, what the website does. Thank you.